Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option onto your TCL 25G. First of all, go into Google application, this one. Then on the bottom click More and choose Settings. Then go into Voice. And here we got a voice match, so click it and click to turn on. Next up, access your assistant with OK Google. Click Next. Next, I agree. And now we must say OK Google. OK Google. And last one, OK Google. And now we got already activate our OK Google option into our TCL 25G. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.